How to make money on Instagram with 500 followers or less. Hey guys, what's up? I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can start monetizing your Instagram account right now. The first thing you will need to do is choose a theme or direction that you want your Instagram page to go in. For example, just like with YouTube, we would say choose a niche. So if you like meditation, you would choose meditation and you would start posting meditation content, as you can see right here. And once you're starting an Instagram page and you're thinking about monetizing in it, I would recommend that you start a page with a theme that you're interested in yourself. So for example, let's say you want to start a meditation page, yeah? Excuse me. This is a good example of one that you could set up. You would simply find a page with more followers and you would mimic what they are doing, but you would add your own touch to it. So even this layout right here, you would customize it and you would do it in your style, but you would find, and again, you can also create the Instagram profile pic by using Canva, which is a free platform that I definitely recommend that you use. Not only can you create the free profile pic, Instagram pic with Canva, but you can also use Canva to create Instagram posts also. So after you have created your profile pic, you have chosen a theme. For example, you want to take one of these posts. For example, if I were to tap on one right there, you would download this post, and it's quite easy to download this post. You will simply copy the link right here. After you have copied the link, you would go onto the website igram.io and you're going to paste the link. After you have pasted the link, you will simply tap on download. And after you have downloaded it, you are going to re-upload it on your Instagram page. But after you have re-uploaded it, what I want you to do, just like you see it right here, right where you see follow at, you would simply put credit and you would put at highest dimension. So you want to give credit to the original creator of the content, so you would simply do that. So you could put credit at highest dimension, and then you could put the same caption that they are using, as you will be leaving your link in the bio also. So you would put credit at highest dimension, then you would put the same caption, and just like how you see they are monetizing their Instagram page with the Linktree link right here, if I should tap on their Linktree link and go to their page, you can see that they have a numerology offer. And they have quite a few offers right here. They are also giving away free ebooks. They are doing even crypto they have mixed in. So they are promoting numerous links. So once a customer or once a viewer lands on this page, more than likely they will see something that they like. And it's quite easy to set up a page just like this with Linktree, as all you will need to do is go onto linktree.com, as you can see here, and you could create a page like that for completely free. And to get the links and how to monetize your Instagram page, if you have ClickBank available in your country, or if you don't, I would recommend you go onto Digistore. And depending on the theme that you are using on your Instagram page or the niche that you are in, you will simply choose a product that you think would suit your audience best. And after you have found a product that you think would suit your audience best, you are going to go onto Linktree, and I recommend that you choose at least 4 products, and you will create a Linktree link, and you are going to do the same thing that this page is doing right here. So you will set up your page same way like this. And once your viewers leave off your Instagram page and tap on your Linktree link, they will have options of products that they can purchase. And that's it. So you will be doing affiliate marketing. So you are not responsible for the delivery of the product or the customer care or anything like that. You will simply be promoting your link, and once they tap on the link and go and make a purchase, you will receive a percentage. If you found this video helpful and motivating, please leave a like and also subscribe, as I will be releasing daily videos on how to make money online.